I'm going to go over how to create a multi-biome auto landscape material or multi-index collection in the case of Voxel plugin. If you're interested in seeing more content like this, then please do subscribe and comment down below what else you'd like to see. So I just have this folder here for our material. This is going to be M landscape. And if I open it up, we're just going to have a landscape layer blend hooked up to this. And I'm just going to create two biomes for this tutorial. Let's have a grassland and a desert. And now we're going to go create some material functions that are going to be our biomes. If I go to materials and material function, we're going to call MF grassland. And then when we're done with this one, we're just going to duplicate it and call it MF desert. Now let's just do a blend, a world aligned blend. And we're going to set the blend sharpness with a scalar parameter. I was testing earlier and found that 35 works. And let's create a scalar parameter. And I found that -5 works. Now we're going to create a linear interpolate node and hook the alpha into the alpha. I'm just going to go over the albedo channel. So if we make a material attributes node, we're just going to hook in the base color. You can do metallic, specular, roughness, everything you can with the normal material outputs. We're just using a node that we're going to use to put this sub material inside our main landscape one. So let's create a texture parameter, texture sample parameter 2D. Let's just call this one grass. And rock. So I think I have some default ones that are included with Voxel plugin. If you don't have that, then just use whatever textures you have, or you can even use colors. I'm just going to hook them up. Let's mess with the sharpness a little. Maybe 20. Yeah, I think 20 works here. So if I save that, then let's go and duplicate it. And we're going to call this one desert. So then I can go into here and we can change this to be, I don't think I have sandstone. So let's just create a different rock one for now. Like mud. And now if we go into M landscape, I'm going to shrink my window. And I just want to grab the material functions and drag them in. So if I just plug that in, and hit apply, save it. So now this is only going to apply if you have Voxel plugin, but we're going to create a Voxel landscape material collection. Open that up, and I'm just going to drag my M landscape in. Now you can't see it, but I have a message pop up that says the M landscape is a landscape only material, and it's asking me to fix it now to turn it into something compatible with the Voxel multi-index collection. And if you just hit fix now, it will do it for you. So now I have my 2 layers here. And if we go to our voxel world settings, make sure you have it on multi-index, and we're just going to drag in the MC landscape. So we can see our material. This isn't the one that was on there before. We can tell because it has different rocks. But you're not seeing the other biome, and that's because I don't have biome set up here. So for now, I'm just going to go into voxels, and we're just going to go to surface, and I'm going to change to desert on the channel, and I'm going to paint and turn off sculpt. So let's turn the paint strength up. Okay, and now we're just going to try painting. So it's going to take a minute, just like normal landscape material does when you paint in a new chunk. But now you can see we have our other biome. And then we're good to go. You can add a lot more biomes here and just keep duplicating the material functions. One thing that may be an issue, I don't see it here, but if you get texture stretching, then you just need to add a triplanar option. I'll put a link to the video I've used in the past down below. If this was helpful, then please do subscribe and let me know what else you'd like to see.